Hello guys, welcome back. Today is Vlogmas day 8, I believe. I have a few fun things going on today. So as a lot of you probably know, I'm currently in Michigan visiting some friends. I'm here with Maddie and Tyler, Tori, and Emily. And we're actually going to the airport tonight to pick up one of our other friends, Tara, who you guys probably know as Pickles Pets on YouTube. But before we go and pick her up, she gets in around like 8:30, I think. I don't remember entirely, but I think 8:30. We are going out for supper, which is what we're doing now. I didn't really start vlogging in the morning. It's like 5 o'clock right now. We're going out to supper, and then we're going to go and get Tara, and then we are going to come back to the house and do fun stuff. I don't know. Anyways, so I guess we will just get ready to get Tara. I don't know where my glasses went. Oh, I think I put them in my bag already. Oh wow, I love this lighting. Hi guys. Yeah, we're gonna go to eat now, so let's go do that. Everyone's running ahead, leaving us behind. Love that. Not actually, we stopped and kind of made them get ahead. Let's go buy some watches.
I just wanted to like stand Emily in front of Arizona Saddle.
We're out at dinner and there's an iguana cowboy behind our table. Wow.
Who can't hide? Okay, because anyone that listens to mouth sounds is wrong in the head.
Try very hard to make myself photogenic though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't.
Make sure to Facetune this footage. Thank you.
You're like, yikes.
Zipper goes down really far.
Should I just wear it like this?
Yeah.
Just imagine.
Oh wait, I need to get one of these.
Oh god. I have to pee. I think Emma has to pee too. Was it you that said?
Yeah, I have to
Isn't
pee.
this like cool?
Depends
Wow.
on who you ask.
Put all my money in here, all my excess.
All of my money.
There it is. There's all my money.
Looks great. You have almost as much as I do. They have a Britney Spears shirt.
It's Cooper the snowman.
Called me a hoe and then sent me $120 for a jacket. I told him you were like the store posted about
Oh!
earlier, like at dinner you just mentioned.
Isn't that the dumbest thing ever? It looks like Cooper.
It does.
On the package it looks like it's smiling kind of, but then it's like nope.
Just editing in the car.
My laptop's so dirty, don't show people. It's disgusting. Stop.
We have come to get supper.
Supper.
I recall Googling what dinner is, and it's not what we're eating.
Dinner is lunch confirmed.
Mm-hmm.
For like controversial. I don't know. I really. People get really mad at me when salmon cream is my favorite. Like real bad.
What's your food?
Delicious.
We're back from eating now. Just in a food coma.
Both the dogs just like stop right where I'm walking.
I'm Dirty Dan. We're going.
My feet are so
I
Licks lens.
We're going to get Tara at the airport soon.
You mean pickles?
Yes, we're going to get pickles at the airport soon. But not right now, so we're hanging out. Having lots of fun.
If people actually knew how boring we are even all together.
We have to come up with like a squad name.
Like what?
Yeah, but that's not like an actual squad name, you know?
What's our name?
I don't know, it's like how James Charles and them are like the sister squad. Okay.
And around 9:45.
Tara?
Or 8:45. I can't read.
I was like, oh my god.
I was like delayed. I was like, crap, I'm gonna have to go.
Under my foot. Oh
The
no.
spoon is gone.
Okay, we are about to leave to go and get Tara. I'm driving because Tyler doesn't want to drive his own car. So I'm taking over. Tori has her Pringles. Ellie has nothing. Ellie, you don't get anything. What is that?
They're like rice cracker things.
Vegan garbage.
It's Japanese garbage.
Actually, aren't Pringles vegan?
Mm-hmm.
Vegan garbage.
I'm vegan garbage.
Yeah.
We're at the airport now, waiting for Tara. Tyler's playing games like a child.
Smash Bros.
So tired. Tara's lost. We're being an inconvenience.
Oh, she crossed the other side. I can't vlog there.
Rude.
Unlock it.
No!
Hello.
Hello!
Hello.
We're here.
Hello.
Cameras in your faces.
Hello!
And your faces.
Your
All of your faces.
This is all 8.
I got so lost in
I don't know how.
there. Like 40 times.
He lets you scratch him like a cat.
I think he's bigger than both of my dogs.
He's so big.
Both of your dogs?
Mm-hmm.
Your dogs are little.
Like Steve's taller, obviously, but his body's not that big.
Wait, Kara,
You could get this from pickleспetshop.com. Just so you know.
Next time. For sure.
Yeah.
That like woven ball. Oh, I gave you that.
Yep.
I was gonna say my rabbits love
It
it.
is now almost gone.
Yeah,
Fast.
they enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
What time is it now?
11:50.
Jesus, Tyler! I thought someone was peeing.
close at 12?
It felt like someone was peeing on my foot.
My bad. Why did we close at 12?
Poopy, poopy, poopy.
This is my bird.
You hold your finger out to be back.
I just don't like birds.
Why not? It's
Well-
Cooper.
I think he's cooler than like a normal bird.
Yeah, he's real
Does he
dumb.
like
being pet like this?
No, he hates it.
He doesn't really like look like
Oh, you're not. And doesn't depend if I film underneath.
I can make it.
Holding the bird.
Hi, Tyler.
He is so cute. Can I have him?
No, you can have little birds. Will you trust me? Trust me. Be a hot dog. Be a hot dog. No, you have to keep your feet down. Look. You have to keep your feet down. Keep them down. Put them down. Yes. Are you a good boy? Like when he moves,
Moving, he's moving.
like his head.
Stop moving. Cooper. Wow, what a good bird.
Oh my god, there it goes. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna spin in a circle. I'll come back around in just a second. Oh no.
Keep going, Cooper.
It's going too fast. Wait.
Cooper. over.